Hello, all of you. Hi.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, ma'am.
Good evening, Ganesh
Good evening.
ji.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Hi. Good evening, ma'am.
सर एक बात बताइए
Yes, yes. बताइए मैम.
सर एक दिन का पेंटिंग छूट गया, क्या करें?
एक दिन का पेंटिंग चलेगा मैम, नो प्रॉब्लम.
कल परसों ध्यान नहीं रहा तो बनाई नहीं, तो आजकल 2 दिन मतलब 4 दिन हो गए.
चलेगा मैम. इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. श्योर. हाय विपुल जी. विपुल जी, आर यू देयर? हाय. Any doubts? Please tell, because I think we have some time. Hi, Dimpy ma'am.
सर आप बॉम्बे कब जा रहे हो?
I think next 2-3 दिन में.
अच्छा चलो मैं कल बात करती हूँ आपसे सर.
पक्का मैम. या I think Wednesday तक I think I should be in Bombay.
ओके.
तो मिलने का तो 2-3 दिन है. आ जाइए, मैं गुड़गांव में हूँ.
हाँ जी, मैं बात वही इसीलिए बात करनी थी. ट्यूसडे को सोच रहे हैं, फिर बात करते हैं.
Sure मैम. Sure. Absolutely मैम.
ठीक है सर.
Any doubts, anyone? Okay, just to start with, we are on the second day. We are on the 5th day and second day of our sacral chakra. So I ask everyone to have yellow, orange color and have orange food. Okay, and orange food में आप papaya खा सकते हो. Okay, all related to orange. And of course, आप लोग को secret code भी share किया हूँ मैं. And healing code भी share किया हूँ मैं. So start using that. विपुल जी, आर यू देयर? आप म्यूट में हो. म्यूट में हो विपुल जी. हाँ.
हाँ sir. How are you, sir?
ऑल वेल सर, ऑल वेल.
Nice to see you, sir.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
अरे एनी टाइम.
Sir, I missed yesterday's class. I know
Okay.
there is some problem in my phone.
ओके.
So I think I had dialed you, but it was not coming in the range. But
ओके.
then also, sir, I have tried to come and make it today, sir.
ठीक है सर.
Hopefully,
नो
we
प्रॉब्लम.
started with something today, sir.
श्योर. ठीक है. या हाय डॉक्टर
Okay.
दीप्ति, आई एम ऑन द क्लास. मैं 10 बजे करूँ, चलेगा? 10 बजे. डन. या ग्रेट. आई थिंक इट्स 9:02 for the time now. 9:05. ओके, मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. कल पूर्णिमा है. ओके.
Okay.
तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कल. ओके, प्लीज डोंट मिस टुमारो स्टफ. कल मेरा एक कोलीग है रोशनी करके. मोस्टली शी हैज शी विल बी टेकिंग द, ऑफ कोर्स आई विल बी देयर. वो एंजल्स का हीलिंग बहुत अच्छा सा करवाती है. ओके, सो कल मोस्टली रोशनी रहेगा. ओके, एंड कल का 9 को प्रॉपरली रखेंगे. एंड टुमारो इज पूर्णिमा. जो भी आपको नया स्टार्ट करने का है, यू कैन डू फॉर टुमारो. कल स्पेशली इफ आई फॉरगेट, अभी से बता रहा हूँ, पूर्णिमा का दिन रात को ग्लास ले लो. ग्लास में पानी डाल दो एंड कीप इट नियर द मूनलाइट और उसको पियो. ओके, सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टुमारो पूर्णिमा. ओके, सो पूर्णिमा का टाइम में whenever whenever you start something new, it's always good. And abhi now times are really very good. Okay, especially from an astrology standpoint, since I'm an astrologer and numerologist, last 2 months were not that great for people. Okay, but abhi do time aa raha hai, next 2 to 3 months will be absolutely pretty good. Okay, one is Jupiter is retrograded back into Capricorn. तो काफी लोगों के लिए अच्छा है. सो मौका उठाओ. पीपल हु आर लुकिंग फॉर जॉब, बिजनेस, ये बहुत ही अच्छा टाइम है. आपको 2 महीना बहुत वीक था. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टाइम. प्लीज कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर जॉब एंड मल्टीपल अदर थिंग्स. राजेश जी, आई एम सॉरी आई कुड नॉट कॉल यू टुडे बिकॉज आई वाज आल्सो नॉट वेल. I was under medicines. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Okay. One request would be, can you do this in English, please? My wife, she doesn't understand.
Yeah, sure. Okay, fine. Okay, tomorrow is Purnima. Okay, so very, very important day. During Purnima, you can always start new things. In the night, specifically in the night, take a glass of water, keep it in under the sunlight, under the moonlight. I'm so sorry, and then please take them. Please have the water. Second thing is, if you don't have any crystals along with you, keep it under the moonlight, charge them, and start using those crystals. So tomorrow is a very, very unique day. So we'll have angel healing tomorrow, from mostly tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Of course, mostly it will be tomorrow only, from Roshni. Roshni ma'am, she's also one of our co-healers. And angel healings are very, very, very powerful. So we want to specifically introduce that for tomorrow. So don't miss for tomorrow. It's a very important stuff.
Yes.
Meanwhile, please continue tomorrow also. The orange, tomorrow is sacral chakra. Okay. So day after tomorrow, from day after tomorrow, keep yellow color. Okay, which will be your solar plexus. Solar plexus is extremely important, especially for ladies, for all the ladies related issues. Okay, so let's concentrate on that very clear, even for gents as well. Okay, solar plexus and sacral chakra, which is now going on. Okay, these two chakras are extremely important from a health standpoint. So please read all the guidelines which are given, especially do the ritual chanting and also the number chanting. It's very, very, very beneficial. And avoid non-veg or alcohol in the night. It's a personal request, so that your movements will be pretty faster. Great. It's 9:09 on the clock. So let's start. Okay. Every one of you close your eyes. Now, wherever you're sitting, think that it's a golden pyramid room wherein you have your near and dear ones, your family members, your friends, and whatever is your wishes, whatever is your icha, whatever is your intentions, whatever you want, please think of those intentions, your wishes. And now I request Wolf, please invoke Wolf, please call for Wolf, animal Wolf. Wolf animal is such that it will manifest your wishes very fast. It will help you get your wishes very fast. So let's chant 21 times. Wolf magic begin now. 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 And wolf magic begin now. Let's say gratitude to Wolf. Thank you, Wolf, for helping us to manifest our dream. Next, let's get protection for ourselves. An ultraviolet rays coming from the universe comes on your crown chakra. Once it comes on your crown chakra, it goes through your third eye, then your throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus, sacral chakra, root chakra, your legs, and it gets deeply grounded into earth. Whatever is extra energy and whatever negative energies that are flowing across your, let it get grounded and let people be happy. Let's say, I'm protected, I'm protected, I'm protected. Now, I've given the protection for 24 hours. So you guys are completely protected now. Now, let's start our meditation and healing. Before that, first, let's clean all the chakras, clean the entire body. Now, imagine water is coming from the heaven, pure water is coming from the heaven, comes on your head. It cleans your crown chakra, removes all the impurities. Post that, it comes on your third eye, cleanses all the impurities. Post that, it also comes on your throat chakra, again cleanses of all the impurities. Post which, heart chakra, which is very, very important, removes of all your impurities from your heart, toxins. Next, it goes to your solar plexus. Again, this is responsible for removing of all the impurities. Next, sacral chakra, all the impurities are cleansed. Post which, most important chakra, root chakra, which is responsible for money, is also being cleansed by this water. Next, all the water goes to the Mother Earth via the feet of their legs. Next, let's remove all the blockages which you are having. Just think all your blockages are going off right from your crown chakra using golden pyramid. I'm releasing all your blockages from crown chakra, third eye, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus, sacral chakra, root chakra, and again, all the blockages are grounded. Now, let me invoke a lot of angels who will again help you out in manifesting your dreams. To start with, let us be more courageous. Let us remove all fear. Be fearless. Now, let me call upon Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael, please help us out to ward off all the fear and be courageous. Next, for relationship issues, anyone having relationship issues or you want to find a new soul partner, let us call upon Archangel Chamuel. Archangel Chamuel is out over there and is helping out you, all you people, to clear your relationship issues. Next, we all want money, wealth, abundance. So may I call upon Archangel Ariel, who is coming around and helping you out in giving money to you and your family, and is resolving all the business issues or job issues, etc., etc., etc. Next, we all want to be beautiful and healthy, both from external and also from internal part of our body. So may I call upon Archangel Jophiel. Please come around and help us out in beautifying ourselves, not only from an external look, also from an internal standpoint. There are also other auxiliary archangels like Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Metatron, Archangel Zadkiel. So these guys, angels are also guiding you to manifest your dreams very fast. Now, let me first put symbols, clear of all the negativities which you guys are having. Let me put the clearing symbol to start with. Pyramid symbol, again, this is used for clearing all negativities. Next, let me put a wish symbol. Ask for a wish, keep it with your knee. Now think your wish is fulfilled. And now let me give the money healing. Let your money blockages be removed. I'm writing rupee symbol, dollar symbol, euro symbol, pound symbol on your chakras, so that let the cash inflow be there. Now, let me use various modalities to start the healing. Let me use Karuna Reiki, Zonar, Hat, Halu, Rama, Nosa, Kriya, Om, Ivave, Shanti. Zonar, Hat, Halu, Rama, Nosa, Kriya, Om, Ivave, Shanti. Zonar, Hat, Halu, Rama, Nosa, Kriya, Om, Ivave, Shanti. Zonar, Hat, Halu, Rama, Nosa, Kriya, Om, Ivave, Shanti. Zonar, Hat, Halu, Rama, Nosa, Kriya, Om, Ivave, Shanti. Zonar, Hat, Halu, Rama, Nosa, Kriya, Om, Ivave, Shanti. Zonar, Hat, Halu, Rama, Nosa, Kriya, Om, Ivave, Shanti. Zonar, Hat, Halu, Rama, Nosa, Kriya, Om, Ivave, Shanti. Zonar, Hat, Halu, Rama, Nosa, Kriya, Om, Ivave, Shanti. Now, Lama Fera. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. Aluma amin trambaka vakatota nasaishi. 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 क्रियासर नित्या क्रियम पावा इंद्राक्षी समीरा 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 honcha dentren seiki chokure honcha dentren seiki chokure 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 chokure. Now let me also call upon God Ganesha. ओम गण गणपति नमः 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 ओम गण गणपति नमः. Now let me also call upon Goddess Lakshmi ji. This is a very special prayer which I have. मातार में मधुकेत भग्नि महेश प्राण प्रवर्तन में हेला निर्मित त्रिमलोचना वदे चंडमुंडार्दिनी निश्शेषि कृत रक्त बीजतनिजी नित्य निसंभावे शुंभ दंशनि संसारांशु दुरिदं दुर्गे नमस्तांबिके. मातार में मधुकेत भग्नि महेश प्राण प्रवर्तन में हेला निर्मित त्रिमलोचना वदे चंडमुंडार्दिनी निश्शेषि कृत रक्त बीजतनिजी नित्य निसंभावे शुंभ दंशनि संसारांशु दुरिदं दुर्गे नमस्तांबिके. One more time. मातार में मधुकेत भग्नि महेश प्राण प्रवर्तन में हेला निर्मित त्रिमलोचना वदे चंडमुंडादिनी निश्शेषि कृत रक्त बीजतनिजी नित्य निसंभावे शुंभ ध्वंसनि संसारांशु दुरिदं दुर्गे नमस्तांबिके. Now let me put all the beej mantras on your chakras. Lam 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 vam 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 vam. Next ram 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 yam 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 yum 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 hum 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 om 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 Aum, 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 Aum. Now let's take deep breathings. When I say inhale, inhale from heaven. Imagine from heaven there's white light coming in. Take the energy only till your heart. When I say exhale, exhale from out of your heart to all to the various parts of the body. Okay, inhale from the heaven. Take the energy only till your heart. Feel the energy till your heart. Only till your heart. Now give heart the happiness. Let it be happy, because many times it takes trauma, it takes tension. Make the heart very light. Now exhale. Om. Inhale. Get your breath, hold your breath and get the energy till your heart. Just relax your heart, give your heart happiness. All your wishes are getting fulfilled. Just say your heart, I love you. And now exhale off all the frustrations below the body of Om. Now again, inhale. Hold your breath. Get it up to your heart, the energy. Give happiness to your heart. And now exhale. Om. Two more times. Inhale. Hold your breath. Get your energy to your heart. Please give happiness to the heart. And now exhale. Om. Last time. Inhale. Hold your breath. Get the energy to your heart. Give happiness to the heart. Say, I love you. And now exhale. Om. Now let's start the energy pull exercise. For those who do not know about energy pull, basically, first of all, you have to keep on expanding yourself. आप सोचो कि आपका बॉडी काफी एक्सपैंड हो रहा है जैन जैसा. I'll give guided meditation right now. Okay, first of all, wherever you're sitting, look at yourself from your leg to your head. Look at your size, visualize your size. आप आपका साइज पाँव से आपका सर तक आपका साइज विजुलाइज करो. Now keep expanding. आप expand हो जाओ. Keep expanding to the size of the entire room. Now keep expanding to the size of the entire room. Now you're as big as the room. आप जितना आपका रूम है उतना बड़ा साइज आप हो गए हो. Then keep expanding to the size of the entire building. आपका बिल्डिंग जितना है उतना बड़ा हो जाइए आप, आपका बॉडी. Keep expanding to the size of the entire city. आपका जो भी शहर हो आप सोचो उतना बड़ा हो गया है. Then keep expanding to the size of the entire state. Keep expanding to the size of the entire country. Keep expanding to the size of the entire continent. Keep expanding to the size of the entire world. Keep expanding to the size of the entire planet. Keep expanding to the size of the entire Milky Way. And keep expanding to the size of the entire universe. The universe is made up of all planets, Earth, multiple things. So you're so big, so big. Now when you look at Earth from the universe, Earth is just a small piece of ball. जब आप यूनिवर्स इतना बढ़ गए हो, एक्सपैंड हो गए हो, आप अर्थ को देखते हो तो बहुत छोटा सा टेनिस बॉल जैसा दिख रहा है आपको. Now you are the power you are the creativity, you are the awareness, you are the control. What you require is energy and money. So let's start pulling it from the earth. आपको अभी अर्थ से एनर्जी पुल करना पड़ेगा फॉर मल्टीपल थिंग्स. फर्स्ट थिंग, लेट्स पुल एनर्जी फॉर मनी. पैसा एनर्जी पहला पुल करते हैं. कीप पुलिंग. सोचो आप इतना बड़े हो और अर्थ से आप एनर्जी पुल करो मैग्नेटिकली. कीप पुलिंग, कीप पुलिंग, कीप पुलिंग, कीप पुलिंग एनर्जी. Keep pulling money energy from the left, from the right, from the top, from the bottom, from the front, from the back, and from the center. So keep pulling, 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 keep pulling. Next, who are facing relationship issues, not only with your spouse, not only with your soulmates, even it can be with your other family members. Let us resolve that. Visualize him or her. Keep pulling energy from him or her. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling energy. Keep pulling energy, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling energy, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling energy from the left, right, top, bottom, front, back, and center. Third thing, जिसको अच्छा job चाहिए, whoever wants good job. Okay, let's pull energy from the earth. Keep pulling the job energy from the earth. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling job energies. Keep pulling job energy, keep pulling job energy. Next, of course, whoever wants business to grow up, get new clients, profits, keep pulling energy for business. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Next, anyone going through a court case or any other stuff, keep pulling energy to win your court case or win any argument. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Most importantly, to improve your health, we require beautiful energy, powerful energy. So let's keep pulling powerful energy from the earth. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling powerful energy from the earth. Keep pulling, keep pulling. Now time has come to manifest all this. हम लोग ने एनर्जी पुल किया है. Now हम लोग उसको मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं, इसको लेके आते हैं. फर्स्ट, इमेजिन आउट ऑफ योर होम देयर आर ट्रक्स स्टैंडिंग इन, and उस पे बहुत पैसा है, there are a lot of money in the trucks. Now start receiving those money. Start receiving those money from your left, right, top, bottom, center, everywhere. So please receive those money. सोचो पैसा बहुत आ रहा है आपको, आप रिसीव कर लो. पैसा आपको हर जगह से आ रहा है. प्लीज स्टार्ट रिसीविंग इट. नेक्स्ट, जो भी आपका रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज है, व्हाट आर इश्यूज ऑफ रिलेशनशिप यू हैव, स्टार्ट think that those guys are loving you back. So these guys are giving you love and you also reciprocate by giving them love. आपको जिससे प्यार चाहिए था वो तो मिल रहा है, उसके बाद आप भी उनको प्यार करो. थर्ड, जिसको अच्छा जॉब चाहिए था, whoever wanted very good job, you're getting a good job, or you're getting a promotion, or you're getting a new job. Next, business is improving, you're getting new customers, you're getting multiple things. So let's look at increasing business in a very big way. Next, to be court issues, any court issues or any other legal conflicts is also getting resolved. Next, of course, health. Health is wealth. So your health is now getting resolved because you've sucked a lot of good energy. So now you manifested all this. Go back to the room. आपने इतना तक हो गया, अभी इतना एक्सपैंड हो गया, वापस आप रूम पे जाइए. Go back to your room via the planet, via the planet, via the via the world, via the continent, via the state, via the city, via the building, and in your own room. Okay. Now, time has come wherein you show gratitude to many people. This is the last exercise on the on the energy pole. First, let's say gratitude to the let's say gratitude to all the ancestors, forefathers. Gratitude, 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 Next, let's say gratitude to the dead one who were with you. Gratitude, 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 gratitude to gratitude to all the your gurus, your animal guides, your spirit guides, everyone. Say gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. Gratitude to your parents, gratitude to your siblings, gratitude to your children. Now, gratitude to animals, gratitude to plants. Also, now let's say gratitude to all the entities. First of all, your bank accounts, which gives you money, rather restores your money. Let the bank account keep on increasing. Your financial investments, gold, silver, property, shares, mutual funds, fixed deposit, let that also keep on increasing the value. Post which, gratitude to your tools which you're using in your daily life. We always forget to say gratitude and love to our mobile because that's the most important thing today. That's our first soulmate today in today's world. Thank you, mobile, for helping us. I love you. Then your computer. Then if you're in business, all the business tools for job people, your bosses, your office space, your co-workers, your seniors, etc. And gratitude to all the five elements. And in the last, gratitude to yourself, your body, your seven chakras, your mind, etc., etc. And now slowly rub your palms, completely rub your palms. Let there be a lot of energy. Keep it on your heart. Feel the pulse. And then slowly open your eyes. Please have water in front of you if you have, because today the energy level was pretty high. So I had to give high energy. अगर पानी है बाजू में तो पानी पी लो.
सर सिंबल ही डाले लास्ट में.
Yeah, I'll symbol तो डाल दिया मैंने, एक prosperity symbol डाल देता हूँ.
Okay.
Just close your eyes. Putting Midas symbol. Okay, yeah, you can open it.
Thanks. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Manish.
Thank you a lot, ma'am. Any doubts, please ask me.
Thank you so much.
so
sir.
much, sir.
This is
Sir, I
great.
have a doubt.
Yeah, please tell me.
सर मुझे ना मेडिटेशन के टाइम पे लेफ्ट नी में टिंगलिंग होता है, टिंगलिंग के साथ इचिंग भी हो रहा है और कई दिन से लगातार हो रहा है, मतलब इसका
Okay,
expression.
very actually ये अच्छा symbol ही है. There were a lot of blockages and they are coming out in different ways. So keep your meditation up. वो कहीं ना कहीं रास्ते से निकल जाएगा वो.
ओके, हाँ मुझे भी समझ तो आ रहा था सर कि ब्लॉकेजेस की वजह
निकल
से
रहा
हो
है,
रहा है,
yes.
बट इसका क्या मतलब है, मतलब
वही
कि
blockages
ये
निकलते
लेफ्ट
टाइम थोड़ा it takes some time. It will give some stuff somewhere. तो उधर से निकल जाता है.
नी क्या इंडिकेट करता है सर?
Left knee, that I'll take you one to one. Personally बताता हूँ.
ओके ओके, ठीक है ठीक है, ओके सर.
Yeah,
थैंक यू
विपुल
सर,
जी, you
थैंक
had
यू
some
सो
doubt.
मच.
विपुल जी, बताइए सर. आप म्यूट निकालो. You are unmute. विपुल जी, हाँ, yeah.
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 So I missed the yesterday's class.
Okay.
Is there anything I can?
I have records. मेरा YouTube में सभी का, इनफैक्ट फ्रॉम लास्ट वीक का पूरा मॉर्निंग 3:30 का भी है, 9 o'clock भी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एवरी वन ऑफ यू प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. ओके, यू कैन सी मल्टीपल वीडियोस.
कर दिया सर.
कर दिया, ग्रेट. ओके, आई अगेन सेंड इन द ग्रुप.
सर काफी पहले कर दिया था,
वाओ,
काफी
वेरी
पहले
गुड.
कर दिया था.
सो यू कैन गो टू माय चैनल. मेरा ये 21 डेज का वीडियो है. यू कैन
Okay.
यूज इट एनी टाइम.
Perfect, sir.
थैंक यू
Perfect.
सर. थैंक यू.
Thank you. sir.
रोशनी इंदुजा जी, आर यू देयर? कैन यू कम ऑन द
Yes,
वीडियो? Roshni ma'am? Yeah, I can see you there. Roshni ma'am, please come on the video.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Roshni ma'am, thanks a lot for joining from Mauritius. I'm so happy and glad to
I'm also
welcome you.
glad, sir.
How are you feeling?
I'm okay. I'm
Great
fine.
ma'am, great. Any doubts?
well.
Anyone? Just let me know, please.
Yes, I will.
Great.
I will message.
Okay, sure. Thanks. Dimpi ji, Tejal ji, Sarita ji, Shilpa
Thank you
ji,
so
any
much.
doubts?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great.
Thank you,
Tomorrow
sir.
again, I reiterate, tomorrow is a very good day. Purnima. Okay, so Punim. So let's start a new beginning. Whatever you guys are having, you start a new beginning from tomorrow. And tomorrow's session will be taken by Roshni Hinduja ji. Hinduja ji, are you there? I think she's there. She's not come on the video. Roshni Hinduja ji. Okay. She'll be taking the tomorrow session. Of course, I'll be there. And wish you all the best. I hope everyone is doing the drawing. Drawing सब लोग कर रहे हो, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is very, very powerful. Please start using it. That will manifest it very, very fast.
Okay.
Okay. Great. I think all the best. So see you tomorrow at 3:30. Whoever wants to join at 3:30 a.m. in the morning, you can always join.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Okay.
very
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.